Hello and welcome to VDCI CAD Teacher DAC203 Animation and Rendering. As the third class in our 3ds Max Digital Arts series, DAC203 serves as a platform for using the skills developed in the DAC201 and DAC202 courses, and also expands into more advanced techniques into modeling, lighting, rendering, and opens the door into animation. This course opens with an importing of an FBX file exported from Autodesk Revit to set our scene. The first lesson is then an overview in the creation and application of scene materials and creating a daylighting system. We also introduce alternate lighting methods and set up an exterior rendering scene. The second lesson looks into the options available for adding Entourage into the scene, including adding three-dimensional elements, two-dimensional paper models, using the built-in tools provided by 3ds Max, and finally adding animated people using the Populate tool. In the third lesson, we start by selecting the appropriate camera type for animation, discuss different techniques for animating the camera in place, and also along a path to generate a walkthrough of the scene. The course closes with techniques used for rendering animations, creating batch renderings of multiple single images, and a discussion about the importance of post-processing. For more information regarding DAC203 animation and rendering, or to sign up for an on-site or online class, please go to cadteacher.com.